I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Ram 1500 tailgate emblem. First, gather your tools. You'll need a heat gun, some fishing line, a plastic trim tool, and an adhesive remover. Make sure you have a clean microfiber cloth too. Before you begin, thoroughly clean the tailgate area around the emblem. This helps prevent scratching and ensures a clear view of your work. A clean surface is key for a smooth removal process. Now let's soften that adhesive. Using your heat gun, gently warm the emblem. Keep the heat gun moving constantly, about 6 to 8 inches away from the surface, to avoid concentrating heat in one spot. You want the adhesive to become pliable, not melted. This step is crucial for an easier and safer removal, minimizing the risk of paint damage. A few minutes of gentle heat should do the trick. With the adhesive softened, it's time for removal. Take a piece of fishing line, about 2 feet long, and slide it behind the emblem. Use a sawing motion to cut through the adhesive. Work slowly and steadily across the entire emblem. Once the adhesive is mostly cut, use a plastic trim tool to gently pry the emblem away from the tailgate. Avoid using metal tools to protect your paint. Finally, let's clean up the tailgate. You'll likely have some adhesive residue left behind. Apply an automotive-safe adhesive remover to a microfiber cloth and gently rub the area. Work in small sections until all the sticky bits are gone. Once clean, use a good quality car wax or polish to restore the paint's shine and protect the surface. This ensures your tailgate looks perfect, as if the emblem was never there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.